Hello, my friends. I'm Dr. Mark Peterson, and if you're over the age of 60, today's message is for you. Did you know your kidneys filter nearly 50 gallons of blood every single day? These bean-shaped organs are small, but their job is massive, filtering toxins, balancing your fluids, controlling blood pressure, and even supporting bone health. But here's the problem. As we age, those kidneys quietly slow down. And for millions of Americans over 60, chronic kidney disease creeps in without a single symptom. That's why dialysis centers across the U.S. are filling up. But what if you could stop this from happening? What if you could drink your way to better kidney health? In today's video, I'll reveal one simple drink backed by science and used in natural medicine that supports healthy kidney function, gently flushes out harmful waste, and can be prepared easily at home. Stay with me to the end because I'll show you how to make it step by step, explain what ingredients you can swap, and give you a complete 7-day kidney cleanse plan. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment your age below. We want to hear from all the warriors out there taking charge of their health. Number 1, the hidden crisis of kidney disease in seniors. Over 37 million Americans have chronic kidney disease, CKD, and most don't even know it. It's called the silent disease because symptoms don't appear until 90% of kidney function is lost. The highest risk group, adults over 60, especially those with high blood pressure, diabetes, or a history of smoking. Dialysis is not only exhausting, it's expensive, painful, and emotionally draining. Our goal is to help you prevent ever getting there. Number 2, what your kidneys actually do. Key roles of the kidneys: filter waste, toxins, and excess fluids. Balance electrolytes like potassium and sodium. Control blood pressure by managing hormones. Activate vitamin D for healthy bones. Maintain red blood cell production. Imagine your kidneys as a full-time janitor for your blood. They never take a break, but if you don't fuel them right, or if you overload them with salt, sugar, and processed food, they get overwhelmed. Number 3, early signs your kidneys may be in trouble: swelling in ankles, feet, or hands, fatigue or low energy, frequent nighttime urination, foamy or bubbly urine, high blood pressure, lower back pain on one or both sides, metallic taste in mouth, or bad breath. If you notice any of these signs, your kidneys may already be under stress, but don't panic. We still have time to turn things around. Number 4, the dangers of dehydration after 60. Seniors often feel less thirsty, which leads to lower water intake. Dehydration concentrates urine and overworks the kidneys. Mild dehydration increases the risk of UTIs, kidney stones, and kidney infections. Water alone is powerful, but when you combine it with certain herbs and ingredients, it becomes a natural healing tonic for your kidneys. Number 5, the drink what to drink daily for kidney health. The hero drink, Parsley plus Lemon Kidney Cleanse. Ingredients: 1 bunch of fresh parsley, natural diuretic and detoxifier, juice of 1 lemon, alkalizing and rich in vitamin C, 4 cups of water, optional, half cucumber, anti-inflammatory, mint, soothing, ginger, anti-inflammatory. How to make it: wash the parsley thoroughly, boil 4 cups of water, add chopped parsley and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Remove from heat, strain, and add lemon juice. Chill and drink 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup before bed. Parsley contains compounds like apiol and myristicin, which support kidney filtration and reduce inflammation. Combined with lemon, it becomes a gentle cleanser that flushes out uric acid and toxins. Number 6, other kidney-friendly drink options: dandelion root tea, powerful detoxifier in diuretic nettle leaf tea, reduces inflammation, supports urinary tract cranberry water, unsweetened, helps prevent UTIs, barley water, traditional remedy in India for kidney stones, watermelon juice, fresh only, hydrating and supports potassium balance. You don't need to buy expensive supplements. Nature already gave us powerful tools. You just need to use them wisely and consistently. Number 7, what to avoid to protect kidney health. Top 6 things to avoid. After 60, excessive salt, processed foods, canned soups, NSAIDs like ibuprofen and naproxen, long-term use, sugary drinks and sodas, processed meat, nitrates damage kidney blood vessels, smoking and alcohol, holding in urine or ignoring bladder signals. Number 8, the 7-day kidney cleanse plan. Daily routine. Morning. 1 cup parsley lemon water breakfast. Oatmeal with blueberries and walnuts mid-morning. Glass of plain water or nettle tea. Lunch. Grilled fish or beans. Spinach salad. Afternoon. Cranberry water. Dinner, steamed vegetables and quinoa. Before bed. 1 more cup of parsley lemon water. Stick to this plan for 7 days and you'll notice less bloating, more energy, and clearer urine. All signs your kidneys are flushing out waste efficiently. Friends, I've seen too many people enter their golden years with declining health simply because no one told them what they could do to prevent it. Dialysis doesn't have to be your future. With small, consistent changes, like this daily drink, you can help protect your kidneys for years to come. And remember, healing doesn't come from one drink alone. It's your daily choices that make the biggest difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone you love, and subscribe for more weekly health tips for seniors. We're in this together, and I'm honored to be on this journey with you. Drink well, live strong, and take care of those incredible kidneys.